बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो रहमान और रहीम है।
इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़।
पढ़ो ए नबी अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने पैदा किया।
खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़।
जमे हुए खून के एक लोथड़े से इंसान की तख्लीक की।
इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम।
पढ़ो और तुम्हारा रब बड़ा करीम है।
अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम।
जिसने कलम के जरिए से इल्म सिखाया।
अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम।
इंसान को वो इल्म दिया जिसे वो न जानता था।
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. This is class 4 and the period is English language text E1. I am your E1 teacher. This is our seventh video, and in this video we will cover the stuff of week number 7. In this video we will start a new unit number 8, and the name of the unit is Man on the Moon. This is a new unit include in your syllabus. Before starting the today's class, let's have a small recap of our previous video. In our previous video of week number 6, week number 6 and the video number 6, we had started a unit number Mysterious Cupboard, unit number 5. We had read that chapter and done all exercises of that chapter. What is that? Well, Mysterious Cupboard is a fiction story, and Tina's mother was two main character of that story. In Mysterious Cupboard, the cupboard was mysterious. Why? Because the cupboard had a way to go towards the beach. This is the story of unit number 5, Mysterious Cupboard. Now come to the today's class. In today's class, as I told you, we will start unit number 8, The Man and the Moon. Man on the Moon mean Insan Chand Par. In today's class, what we do? Today's class topics are, we will read an explain the chapter with difficult words meaning of unit number 8. Then we will do the comprehension number 1 and 2, vocabulary number 1 and 2, spelling 1, 2, 3 and class writing. This is the stuff of this unit include in your content. Okay, like I said, today we start a new unit named Man on the Moon. Well, Man on the Moon, this unit is very informative and it is a newspaper report. Yes, this unit is a newspaper report. In this unit, a newspaper report is given to you. But the question is, what is newspaper report? Well, a newspaper report is a news or a story found in a newspaper, and it is designed to provide the information to the people what is happening in the world. न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट आपके पास क्या होती है कि एक न्यूज़ होती है, इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है जो आपके पास न्यूज़पेपर में आपको दी जाती है लोगों को, ताकि जो भी कुछ वर्ल्ड में हो रहा है उसके रिलेटेड आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड की जाए. Like I told you कि Man on the Moon is a newspaper report of an remarkable event of history. Yes, the newspaper report of remarkable event of history when for the first time in the history of mankind, 2 astronauts able to step on the moon. Yes, 2 astronauts. Number 1 is Neil Armstrong, NEIL ARMSTRONG, Neil Armstrong, and then Buzz Aldrin, BUZZALDRIN. These were the two astronauts who stepped on the moon for the first time in the history, and this event happened on 21st July 1969. 2 astronauts, these are the American astronauts, landed on the moon for the first time in the history of mankind. They were on the moon for about 2 hours, and they planted a flag as well on the moon, and they take photograph of the moon as well, and they collect the moon particle or moon sand with them to study on Earth, and they were on the moon for about 2 hours. This is the remarkable event of history because for the first time astronaut and man were be able to step on other planet moon. This history, this news is described in this unit. So I hope कि you know, and this chapter is very interesting and informative to you. So take out your book. This is your book. I have told you many times. Macmillan English Language, book number 5, and take out your book. Come to the unit number 8, The Man on the Moon. This is your unit, page number 66. Your page number is 66. Let's start the reading so we can more understand the chapter. Okay. लाइक आई सेड कि मैन ऑन द मून आपके पास एक ऐसा चैप्टर है जिसमें आपके पास एक इवेंट बताया गया है, इवेंट डिस्क्राइब किया गया है न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट के जरिए. कौन सा इवेंट? जब पहली बार इंसान ने चांद पर, मून पर कदम रखा था. यस, वी ऑल नो कि कि साइंटिस्ट आर एबल टू रीच द मून. साइंटिस्ट अब जा सकते हैं, बट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन 21 जुलाई 1969. In this date and this year, astronaut first step on the moon. Okay, now take out your book and read with me. Yes, now take out your book and let's read with me so you are be able to read the chapter by yourself. Unit number 8, the name of the unit is Man on the Moon. It is a newspaper report, and the newspaper name is The Daily Record. This report is written by John Barber. John Barber is the author or writer name. So let's start the reading. 3:56 a.m. today, July 21st, 1969. Something that scientists once only dreamed about came true. 21 जुलाई 1969, कुछ ऐसा हुआ जिसके बारे में साइंसदान सिर्फ सोच सकते थे. 2 American astronauts landed on the moon in the spacecraft called the Eagle. 2 अमेरिकन एस्ट्रोनॉट ने चांद पर गए. ईगल स्पेसक्राफ्ट मीन्स रॉकेट के जरिए, जिसका नाम आपके पास था ईगल. दे प्लांटेड आवर फ्लैग एंड टॉक टू द प्रेसिडेंट बाय रेडियो टेलीफोन. मून पर व्हेन दे वर ऑन द मून, तो दे ऑल्सो तो उन्होंने उस टाइम के प्रेसिडेंट से बात की थ्रू द वीडियो टेलीफोन. Millions of people watch on television as the astronaut walk on the moon's surface 240,000 miles away. जब एस्ट्रोनॉट मून पे थे तो उनको टेलीविज़न पे कई लोगों ने, मिलियन ऑफ लोगों ने उन्हें टेलीविज़न पर देखा, और वो अपनी सरफेस से, अपनी ज़मीन से मून पर कितनी दूर थे? 240,000 miles अवे थे. This amazing journey to the moon in Apollo 11, a space rocket. ये इनकी अमेजिंग जर्नी थी. रॉकेट इनके पास कौन सा था? अपोलो 11. उस रॉकेट के अंदर एक छोटा मिनी स्पेस क्राफ्ट था जिसका नाम ईगल था. ईगल, जिसके ज़रिए, एज यू कैन सी ऑन द पिक्चर, दिस इज़ अ ईगल स्पेस क्राफ्ट एंड दिस आर वेरी टाइनी. इट इज दिस स्पेस क्राफ्ट, इट हेल्प्स the astronaut to walk on the moon. This is Neil Armstrong. He planted a flag and the land of the moon, and this is the land of the moon. It is like fine charcoal powder, as you can see on the picture. Come back to the reading. It takes 3 days and 4 hours on board. What 3 courageous astronauts, Michael Collins, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. इन्हें उस टाइम कितना टाइम लगा उन्हें? And they took 4 घंटे, 3 days and 4 hours. 3 courageous astronaut थे, माइकल कॉलिन, नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग एंड बज़ एल्ड्रिन. माइकल कॉलिन डिड नॉट वॉक ऑन द मून. माइकल कॉलिन ने मून के ऊपर वॉक नहीं की, मून पर नहीं गया वो. बट नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग एंड बज़ एल्ड्रिन वेंट इनटू द टाइनी ईगल स्पेसक्राफ्ट एंड मेड द हैज़ार्डस जर्नी डाउन टू द मून सरफेस. लेकिन नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग और बज़ एल्ड्रिन चांद पर गए ईगल के जरिए, और उन्होंने इस डिफिकल्ट और डेंजरस जर्नी को पूरा किया. द वर्ल्ड वॉच एंड वेटेड फॉर 6 hours बिफोर द हैच ओपन. पूरी दुनिया ने तकरीबन 6 घंटे इनका वेट किया जब इनका हैच यानी कि इनके ईगल का डोर ओपन हुआ. नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग केम आउट ऑफ द स्पेसक्राफ्ट. नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग जो है अपने स्पेसक्राफ्ट में से बाहर आए. He was the first man, he was the first human being ever to step on the moon. नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग पहला इंसान है जिसने चांद पे कदम रखा. He climbed down the ladder and jumped about 3 feet from the bottom step onto the surface of the moon at 9:56 p.m. नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग ने लेडर यानी कि एक सीढ़ी के जरिए चांद की ज़मीन पे कदम रखा तकरीबन 9:56 PM के दौरान। His first words were, इसके पहले अल्फाज थे, when he saw the land of moon, that's one small step for man, a giant leap for mankind। ये पहला छोटा कदम एक बनी नू इंसान या फिर तमाम दुनिया के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा लीप है, एक बहुत बड़ी जंप है। It was almost incredible, ये unbelievable था। A man was actually walking on the surface of the moon, कि एक इंसान मून की सरफेस पर चल रहा है। He went very carefully, वो बहुत केयरफुली चल रहा था, ऑलमोस्ट शफलिंग गिर रहा था। The world heard him describe the moon surface, लोगों ने, दुनिया ने उसे सुना जब वो मून की सरफेस को, जमीन को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा था। The surface is fine and powdered, उसने क्या बताया कि अर्थ की सरफेस फाइन और पाउडर की जैसी थी, एज यू कैन सी ऑन द पिक्चर पेज नंबर 64। लाइक पाउडर्ड चारकोल, चारकोल यानी कि जैसे कोयले की, आप कोयले को अगर पेस्ट बनाते हो उसके पाउडर की जैसी उसकी सेंट थी, सरफेस थी मून की। टू द सोल ऑफ द फीट आई कैन सी द फुटप्रिंट ऑफ माई बूट इन द फाइन सैंडी पार्टिकल, और उसने कहा कि मैं उस जमीन के ऊपर अपने फुट के प्रिंट्स जमीन के पार्टिकल पे देख सकता हूँ। He then went to the side of the spacecraft and read the words written there, फिर वो स्पेसक्राफ्ट की साइड पे गया और जो उस पे वर्ड लिखे हुए थे वो उसने रीड किए। Here man first set foot on the moon July 1969, we came in peace for all mankind। वहाँ पे क्या लिखा था कि यहाँ पे दुनिया, चांद के ऊपर इंसान का पहला कदम है जुलाई 1969 में, और हम यहाँ पे तमाम दुनिया के लिए पीस पर आए हैं, अमन के लिए आए हैं, इनका कोई और पर्पस नहीं था। 15 minutes later the second astronaut Buzz Aldrin joined astronaut on the moon। नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग के लैंडिंग के 15 मिनट्स बाद सेकेंड एस्ट्रोनॉट बज एल्ड्रिन ने उन्हें ज्वाइन किया मून पर। हिज वर्ड्स वर, बज एल्ड्रिन के जो वर्ड थे वो क्या थे? ब्यूटिफुल ब्यूटिफुल ब्यूटिफुल, खूबसूरत खूबसूरत खूबसूरत। एल्ड्रिन बिगेन टू मूव अक्रॉस द डस्टी सरफेस ऑफ दिस स्ट्रेंज डेड वर्ल्ड। एल्ड्रिन ने क्या करा, उस सरफेस के ऊपर चलना शुरू करा। ये एक डेड सरफेस थी। ऑन अर्थ both men were about 74.84 kilos। अर्थ पर दोनों का वेट 74.84 kilos था। But on the moon the weight, Aldrin hopped like a kangaroo across the surface। Aldrin, Buzz Aldrin जो था अर्थ की सरफेस पे like a kangaroo एनिमल की तरह चल रहा था। The astronaut then began their work। फिर एस्ट्रोनॉट ने अपना काम स्टार्ट किया। They had 2 hours in which to take photographs of each other। इनके पास सिर्फ 2 घंटे थे जिसमें उन्होंने एक दूसरे की पिक्चर ली। The eagle and the landscape, ईगल की मीन स्पेस क्राफ्ट की और लैंडस्केप मीन जो चांद की जमीन थी उसकी। They had bucket and spades with them to collect rock and dust to bring back on earth। इनके पास जिसे हम कहते हैं उर्दू में बकेट यानी कि छोटी बाल्टी, और स्पेड जिसे आप बेलचा कहते हैं वो इनके पास था, जिससे उन्होंने अर्थ की सैंड को कलेक्ट किया और ताकि वो उसे जमीन पर ला सकें। साइंटिस्ट कुड रियली वेट टू बी द फर्स्ट स्टडी रॉक्स फ्रॉम अनदर वर्ल्ड। साइंटिस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थे कि वो अपनी ज़मीन के अलावा किसी और लैंड या प्लैनेट की अर्थ को स्टडी करेंगे। आफ्टर 2 hours ऑन द मून सरफेस द एस्ट्रोनॉट वेंट बैक टू द ईगल। चांद पर 2 घंटे के बाद एस्ट्रोनॉट दोबारा अपने स्पेसक्राफ्ट ईगल में गए। As space scientists told us, yes, they are resting now and are leaving the moon in about 5 hours time। फिर इन्हें साइंटिस्ट ने क्या बताया कि अब वो रेस्ट कर रहे हैं अपने स्पेसक्राफ्ट ईगल में, और उसके बाद वो मून से अर्थ की तरफ आने के लिए रेडी हो जाएंगे। प्रेसिडेंट निक्सन स्पोक टू द एस्ट्रोनॉट सेइंग, उस टाइम के जो प्रेसिडेंट थे जिन्होंने एस्ट्रोनॉट से रेडियो टेलीफोन जो उनसे बात कर रहे थे, उन्होंने उनसे बात की और कहा कि ऑल द पीपल ऑन द अर्थ आर श्योरली वन इन देयर प्राइड ऑफ व्हाट यू हैव डन एंड वन इन देयर प्रेयर्स दैट यू विल रिटर्न सेफली। आप तमाम लोगों की दुआओं में है और तमाम लोगों का फख्र हो और तमाम लोग दुआ कर रहे हैं कि आप सेफली वहां से रिटर्न हो जाएं। फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन मैनकाइंड हिस्ट्री मैन हैव लेफ्ट द अर्थ। पहली बार इंसान की हिस्ट्री में इंसान ने अर्थ को लेफ्ट किया, अर्थ को छोड़ा। एंड वॉक ऑन अनदर प्लैनेट, और दूसरे प्लैनेट पे वॉक की। दे हैव लुक्ड एट देयर ओन प्लैनेट फ्रॉम अ क्वार्टर ऑफ माइल्स अवे। एस्ट्रोनॉट ने अपने प्लैनेट से दूसरे प्लैनेट से अपने प्लैनेट को देखा जो कि मिलियंस ऑफ माइल अवे था। वंस अ ड्रीम हैज एक्चुअली हैपेंड, और फिर किसी का जो ड्रीम था वो पूरा हुआ। वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द रीडिंग ऑफ यूनिट नंबर 8 मून, अ मैन ऑन द मून। What we read in this chapter we read the history, event history of when the man first time stepped on the moon. There were 3 astronauts. Number 1 is Neil Armstrong, number 2 is Buzz Aldrin, and number 3 is Michael Collins. But Michael Collins did not walk on the moon, maybe because he felt dangerous, उसे वहाँ dangerous लग रहा हो जाना. But Neil Armstrong was the first man who stepped on the moon in the history of mankind, and Buzz Aldrin followed him. They were on the moon for about 2 hours, and they talked to the president via radio telephone. This is the chapter is all about. I hope you have got the chapter. Now take out your copy and do the exercise word. Yes, these are the difficult words from this unit. You have to write this word in your copy. Number 1 is GAINT, means huge, means बहुत बड़ा. Second word is leap, 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 jump. Third one is hazardous, HAZARDOUS, means unbelievable, difficult. No. Hazardous means dangerous. DANGEROUS. Then incredible, unbelievable. Astronaut, spaceman. Then spacecraft means rocket. This word you will do in your copy. First, give the head as words meaning in your copy. Then take out your book and do another work. Comprehension. Come to the comprehension. This work you will also do in your copy. First, on the top of your copy, give the head as comprehension number 1. And now read the question. Let's see what they are asking. Circle true or false. In this unit, in this comprehension number 1, you have to circle the true or false. 6 statements are given to you. 6 आपको statement दिए हुए हैं. In each sentence there is a option of T means true, F means false. You have to identify the sentence and circle the correct one. Number 1 is the astronaut landed on the moon in July. Is it correct or wrong? Number 1, the astronaut landed on the moon in July. This is correct. So circle the T. In number 2, Buzz Aldrin was the first man to walk on the moon. Buzz Aldrin आपके पास पहला इंसान था जिसने चांद पे कदम रखा. It is false. तो circle F in 2. Come to the third one. The surface of the moon is like fine powder. जो moon की surface आपके पास थी वो fine powder के जैसी थी. Is it true or false? Is it true? तो circle T. Then come to the fourth one. The astronaut weighed more on the moon than they do on Earth. Astronaut का जो weight था वो moon पे ज़्यादा था ज़मीन की निस्बत. It is a false क्योंकि उनका weight ज़मीन पे ज़्यादा था और moon पे कम. तो circle F here. In number 5, they had bucket and spade to make sand castle. उनके पास जो bucket और sand थी वो इसलिए थी ताकि वो moon पर sand castle बना सके. It is fall. Again fall. Circle F. Then number 6 and the last one is the astronaut walked on the moon for about 2 hours. Astronaut ने moon पर walk की 2 घंटे, तकरीबन 2 घंटे के लिए. Is it true or false? Correct. Circle T here. You can also solve this exercise in your book. Now come to the comprehension number 2. Yes, in comprehension number 2, what is the question of comprehension number 2? Discuss your answer to this question. Some questions are given, you have to write their answer. These are 4, but we are only do 2 questions from this unit. You have to do this work from the board. Number 1 is why do you think million of people watched? D. Only 2 questions are included. Number 1 is why do you think million of people watched the moon landing? आपको क्यों लगता है कि हाँ मिलियन ऑफ लोगों ने जब वो मून पर थे उनकी लैंडिंग को देखा था? Why? Because it is the first time when mankind, in the history of mankind, when man we are able to step in the moon. Write the answer from the board. Because BECAUSE, astronaut, ASTRONAUTS, astronaut landed, LANDED, landed on the moon for the first time in the history Yes, this is the answer you have to write from the board. Because astronaut landed on the moon for the first time in the history of mankind. Then question number 3 is included. Come to the question number 3. How do you think Neil Armstrong felt when he first You can copy the question from the book. Yes. How do you think Neil Armstrong felt when he first foot on the man? आपको क्या लगता है कि जब नेल आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग ने पहली बार चांद पे कदम रखा था उसे कैसा फील हुआ था? I think he felt very pride. उसे बहुत फख्र हुआ था कि he was the first man. तो write the answer from here. He felt pride. PRIDE means फख्र. Do this from the board. Now come to the next one. Vocabulary number 1. You will solve vocabulary number 1 in your book. Yes, remember our synonym is a word. In this exercise, what you will do, look back, find these words in newspaper report, think of synonym. What is mean by synonym? SYNONYM. Synonym means सेम मीनिंग वर्ड. किसी वर्ड का सेम मीनिंग वर्ड आपके पास सिनोनियम कहलाता है. इज लाइक अ वर्ड्स मीनिंग इन इंग्लिश. ओके, सम वर्ड्स आर गिवन टू यू इन योर बुक. You have to find their meaning on Theorist page number 166. On your book, page number 166, here many words are given with their synonym and with their antonym as well. What is antonym? Antonym means opposite meaning word. So search this word from this page and write their synonym. Number 1 is, you will do this exercise in your book. First one is amazing. What is a amazing synonym is wonderful. 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 Now come to the next one is small. बहुत छोटा means tiny. TINY. Third one, hazardous means dangerous. DANGEROUS. Then fourth one, gant means huge. HUGE. Fifth one, carefully, cautiously. CAUTIOUSLY. Last one is collect means gathered. GATHER. You will do this exercise in your book. Vocabulary number 2 is included in your homework. Now come forward, come to the spelling. Yes, come to the spelling. Book page number is 71. They are saying if the word have EI in the spelling, अगर किसी word की spelling में EI है, then we pronounce EI as A. EI का sound A हम देते हैं. Yes, in spelling one, say these words, discuss what they mean. Some words are given, you have to say, pronounce this word, and then you will tell the meaning of this word as well. Okay, number 1 is, word number 1 is rinse. Second one is 8. Third one is 18. Fourth one is win. Fifth one is 80. Sixth one is wait. This is, you will pronounce this word and write the meaning of this word now. Number 1 is friend, REINS. Number 2 is 8, EIGHT. 8. Then 18, EIGHTEEN. 18. Then wean, VEIN, when. फिर है आपके पास 80, EIGHTY. 80. Then last one is wait, WEIGHT. You have to write the meaning of this word as well. Now see. What is rinse? Rinse means a leather strap, leather Yes, what is rinse? A rinse is a leather strap fixed to a horse head. Rinse आपके पास क्या होती है? लेदर स्ट्रिप होती है जिसको आप हॉर्स की हेड पे फिक्स करते हैं. So you can control the horse as well. The picture is also given here. This is rinse, leather strip. Yes. Next one is 8. 8 is a mathematical number. What is 8? What is 8? 8 is a mathematical number. 18. 18 again a mathematical number. Then when thin tube carries blood. Then 80 again it's a mathematical number. Then weight. Weight means load. Write this meaning in your copy. Then come to the spelling number 2. Read the question. Match each word to the correct picture. Write the words. Yahi, again these words are given and some pictures are given. You have to match the word with the correct picture. Picture number 1 is 80. Write 80 here. EIGHTY. Yes, in picture number 1, write 80 here. You can solve this exercise in your book. In number 2, wings. Number 3, as you can see, 8. Number 4, rings. Fifth one, weight. And the last one is mathematical number 18. Write 18 here. Then vocabulary, spelling number 3 is for your homework. Now come forward and come to the class writing of unit number 8. Yes, class writing. In class writing, now we read newspaper to find what is happening in the world. Here are some notes about the first man in the space. What they are saying कि we read newspaper to get information. हम newspaper पढ़ते हैं, हमें उससे information मिलती है. Here some notes about the first man in space are given. Some notes is given about the first man in space here. First, read the note. Name, Yuri Gagarin. Age 27 years old. Nationality Russian. Date of space flight April 12, 1961. Launch site Bangkok, Russia. Name of spacecraft Vostok 1. What he did? Orbited the Earth once. What he said? I see Earth, it's so beautiful. Speed in orbit 27,400 kilometers per hour. Time in space 1 hour 48 minutes. How he landed? Ejected from spacecraft, use a parachute. These notes are given. You have to combine this note and write a paragraph of a newspaper in a newspaper way. I am writing this class writing on the board. You have to copy this from the board in your copy. So let's start the class writing using this note. Answer is 27. A 27 years old Russian man Yuri Gagarin traveled TRAVELLED traveled in space on 12th April 1961. He was the first man in the history who orbited the Earth once in his space craft Vostok VOSTOCK 1 at Bangkok BAIK Nonour. Russia. 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 By speed 27,400 kilometers per hour. And said, I see the earth. It's so beautiful. He straight full stop. He straight STAYED there for 1 hour. "48 minutes. And came back to earth by parachute. PARACHUTE. He had a dream which came true. Yes, this is a class starting. You will copy this from the board. I am reading again. Class starting. A 27 years old Russian man, Yuri Gagarin, traveled in space on 12 April 1961. He was the first man in the history who orbited the Earth once in his spacecraft Vostok 1 at Bangkok, Russia by speed 27,400 kilometers per hour, and said, I see the Earth, it's so beautiful. He stayed there for 1 hour 48 minutes and came back to Earth by parachute. He had a dream which came true. This is the class starting. You have to do this class starting, and with the help of the given notes on book page number is 72. So here the chapter is completed. I hope you have got the chapter, and do all work in your copy. Do the book work in your book and copy work in your copy. Only 2 question answer are included in this, question number 1 and question number 3 from this unit. Now take out your diary and note down your diary word. I hope you have copied this. Do vocabulary number 2 by yourself in your copy. Now I am telling you what to do in this vocabulary. Use each synonym in a sentence of your own. The synonym which we have find from the page number 166, you have to make the sentences of those synonym. Number 1 word is wonderful. You can make any sentence by using the word wonderful. It is a wonderful day. It is a wonderful car. Like this you will make the sentences using the synonym. Number 2 is tiny. My pencil is very tiny. Or you can say ant is a tiny insect. Okay, do this exercise by yourself in your copy. Then do spelling. Spelling 3. Spelling tree by yourself. In spelling tree, again, some words are given. You have to use this word in your sentences. Number one word is 8. Use the word 8 in your sentence, like I'm 8 years old, I have 8 pencils. In this way you will do this word. This is your diary. And the next one is memorize this stuff. Yes, this is your diary. Number one is do vocabulary number 2 by yourself in your copy. Number 2 is do spelling 3 by yourself in your copy. And the last one is memorize the stuff of unit number 8. So you will be prepared for your exam. Now that's it for today's class. I hope you have got this. I hope you have got everything. If you have any problem, watch this video again and again so your problem can be resolved. Inshallah, we will meet in our next video, revision video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.